Tear. Verb. To rend a solid material by holding or restraining in two places and pulling apart, whether intentionally or not, to destroy or separate. Tear. Verb. To injure as if by pulling apart. He has a torn ligament. He tore some muscles in a weight-lifting accident. Tear. Verb. To destroy or reduce abstract unity or coherence, such as social, political or emotional. Tear. Verb. To make an opening with force or energy. A piece of debris tore a tiny straight channel through the satellite. His boss will tear him a new one when he finds out. The artillery tore a gap in the line. Tear. Verb. To become torn, especially accidentally. My dress has torn. Tear. Verb. To move or act with great speed, energy, or violence. He went tearing down the hill at 90 miles per hour. The tornado lingered, tearing through town, leaving nothing upright. He tore into the backlog of complaints. Tear. Verb. To smash or enter something with great force. The chain shot tore into the approaching line of infantry. Tear. Noun. A hole or break caused by tearing. A small tear is easy to mend, if it is on the seam. Tear. Noun. A drop of clear, salty liquid produced from the eyes by crying or irritation. There were big tears rolling down Lisa's cheeks. Ryan wiped the tear from the paper he was crying on. Tear. Noun. Something in the form of a transparent drop of fluid matter, also, a solid, transparent, tear-shaped drop, as of some balsams or resins. Tear. Noun. That which causes or accompanies tears, a lament, a dirge. Tear. Verb. To produce tears. Her eyes began to tear in the harsh wind. Reference. Please support us with your subscription.